To manage DigitalOcean Managed Databases effectively, start by understanding the basics of the service. DigitalOcean Managed Databases is a platform that allows you to easily create and manage databases in the cloud, supporting popular database engines like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Redis. First, create a new database cluster by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the Managed Databases section. Choose the database engine you want to use and select the desired plan. Considering factors like storage, RAM, and vCPUs. Once your database cluster is created, you can connect to it using the connection details provided by DigitalOcean. You can use the DigitalOcean control panel or the command line to connect to your database. Make sure to use a secure connection method, such as SSL/TLS, to protect your data. To manage your database, you can use the DigitalOcean control panel to monitor performance, view logs, and make configuration changes. You can also use the command line or a database client like pgadmin or MySQL Workbench to manage your database. Regular backups are essential for data protection, and DigitalOcean Managed Databases provides automated backup features. You can also create manual backups as needed. To ensure high availability, consider setting up a standby database cluster that can take over in case of a failure. Security is a top priority when managing databases, so make sure to use strong passwords, limit access to your database, and use SSL/TLS encryption. You can also use DigitalOcean's built-in security features, such as firewall rules and access controls, to further protect your database. Best practices for managing DigitalOcean Managed Databases include monitoring performance regularly, optimizing database configuration for your workload, and keeping your database engine and client software up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your DigitalOcean Managed Databases and ensure the security and availability of your data.